And I'm so happy to have the opportunity to share our concerns about the increase in cases of COVID in our community.
With COVID-19 numbers on the rise once again in Acadiana, we are hearing from healthcare leaders about their efforts to fight the third wave. In Lafayette, Mayor President Josh Guillory recently pointed to healthcare workers to lead on stopping a third wave. The mayor faced criticism over those comments, especially since Lafayette stopped enforcing the state mitigation mandates. So what do those on the front lines have to say? Katie Easter has the story from Lafayette City Hall. Katie.
We reached out to officials at Our Lady of Lourdes and Lafayette General, and both of them referred us to an online video that they published last night.
Currently, Acadiana is facing the third wave of the COVID pandemic.
Lourdes, LGH, and Dr. Tina Stefanski teamed up to record this video. In it, they explain what local hospitals are doing to fight the coronavirus and what people need to do to curb the spread.
I certainly understand COVID fatigue as much as anybody else does right now, and would love nothing more than to enjoy some parties with my friends and families. But this is not the time for us to be able to do that.
That video, a direct response to Mayor President Josh Guillory. Last week during a conference call, Guillory questioned what medical leaders are doing to, quote, mitigate the surge and asked for assurances the medical community has, quote, changed its behavior. The doctors answering those questions in their video.
Some of the things that we're doing here at Lourdes to improve our capacity to take care of COVID patients is we're expanding beds, we're expanding telemetry across all of our campuses. We've got robust supplies of PPE, pharmaceuticals and equipment and other things that we'll need to take care of these patients.
Now, LCG is softening its tone.
Obviously, it's not up solely to the medical community. They play the biggest role, however, in helping to mitigate this.
The mayor's spokesman says LCG wants health officials to keep the public informed.
When that information comes from them, you know, people tend to listen a lot more. So we're just going to be leaning on them to help with the getting the word out that we are still in a situation that's dangerous.
We should note that both officials with Lady of Lourdes and Lafayette General have been providing updates on COVID-19 throughout the pandemic by posting online videos and by participating in government press conferences, including one with the governor. In Lafayette, Katie Easter, KTC TV3.